Are you tired of manually updating the dates in your recurring reports? So automate. One way to automate in Excel is CONCAT or concatenate function. It does just what it says. Glues together a bunch of cells full of text or cells full of anything. Yeah? Concat with the whole series, yeah? There is also, you don't have to use the word concat. You can use the ampersand as a shortcut. And sometimes in complex formulas that's easier to read. So I need a space between the two cells. Didn't work. I didn't put the ampersand. So that works fine. So we want to automate how dates appear inside your reports, right? Well, typically the data of your report, it has dates embedded right in the data. So for example, here's some of my data, and there's a whole column of dates. So if I want to get the latest date embedded in my data, let's use the max function and select the date column. And there's the latest date embedded in that data set. So how do I get that together with in my title? Well, let's use concatenate, or let's use the ampersand. So I'm using the text in cell B13 and then an ampersand. That's Shift 7 on my keyboard. And then the date. But that doesn't work out because this cell is formatted to show a date. So we need to format the underlying way that Excel stores that date. We need to format that for our concatenated display. So we do that with the text function. C11 is my date, and now I need a date format. And in Excel, it's typically looks like I need a space in there too. So B13 and text, a space. Now that looks pretty good. So there you go. You've just automated your date. You're pulling the date for your display directly from your report data. So when you update the report with data, the title should adjust automatically. Hey, if this helps you, please click the like button and subscribe for more. There's more to say about Concatenate. We'll use it to update the dates inside your chart titles. And if you ever want to display multiple values in a single cell, like, for example, test results, 10 tests performed, 7 successes, 7 out of 10, you can display both of those in one cell using the concatenate function. Click like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.